Alright, let's talk about one of the most powerful places in Nigeria. No, it's not Aso Rock. I'm talking about the real powerhouse, the Central Bank of Nigeria. This is the brainbox of our economy, where the country's monetary policies are made and where billions flow in and out daily. Today, I got exclusive access into this financial fortress. For years, many have seen this building only from the outside, towering over Abuja's skyline, mysterious and intimidating. But what really happens behind its walls? Today, I take you beyond the gates and into the inner workings of the CBN. But what really happens inside? Secret money vault? Economic masterminds at work? Or a hidden cafeteria with the best jollof rice in the city of Abuja? Well, let's find out. Turns out today is a special day, International Women's Day. And trust me, this place is packed with some of the most influential women in the Nigerian financial sector. We are talking policymakers, industry leaders, and of course, the boss himself, the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. I mean, it's not every day you get to witness power moves like this up close. And why I couldn't capture everything, because, let's be honest, top secret stuff happens here. Now, one may ask, what does the CBN even do? It's basically the brain of our economy. These guys control inflation, regulate banks, stabilize our currency, and make sure the economy doesn't go off track. Think of it as a referee in the financial game. If things get messy, they step in to fix it. So here's a fun fact. Nigeria's Naira notes are not printed inside the CBN building. Nope. Instead, they are printed by the Nigerian Security Printing and Minting Company, NSPMC, also known as the Mint, which is located in Abuja and Lagos. If you were hoping to see stacks of fresh Naira flying around inside here, sorry to disappoint. So what else do you think happens inside the CBN? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this exclusive look inside Nigeria's financial powerhouse, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more. Archa was here.